if these are clean here, I don't.
Okay, so this is gonna be a magic trick with
pepper,
soap.
Yeah, but we took
soap, just blue.
Did you just take them out of the freezer totally?
Dishwasher soap and some water. So the first step you're gonna do, get the pepper. If you wanted this in, as much as you can. See how it's right in there? What you doing? It's right there. Now you have to dip your hands in this. Get it all messy. Dip your hands. And then get your, watch this closely. Get your hand fast, right in the middle. And the pepper will start coming out from the water. It's like afraid of the soap. And that's a good way, it's an easy way to do a magic trick. All you need is pepper, soap, water. And plates.